My name is Kay and I'm from the R.W. Bob Farm Memorial Library in Narrogin, and we're going to read to you today our book, How to Paint Narrogin Red with One Little Egg. And that's our picture on the cover. And look at the little children who've been listening to the egg. Look, Numbat, the little children have been listening to the egg and they're reading to the egg. And in the front, there's the title page, and it says it was written by Kay and me, and that's me, as part of the Narrogin Early Years Network, and Paint the Town Red. And that's the big Paint the Town Red splosh. Look at that. The Numbat's enjoying the story. I'm afraid I can't tell you the Numbat's name yet because the Numbat hasn't got one. We're having a competition and all the children in town are choosing a name. It's very exciting. You can't wait, can you? Okay, this part says, here's your title page, and the dedication is to the children of Narrogin who made the egg grow. And here, look at this. Oh, look at that, it's very excited. Oh, maybe it's a girl. Okay, we'll start reading. There was a little red egg, so lonely and small. We took it to the children at the Narrogin Hall. They helped us to care for the little red baby. We sang songs and danced and listened. So just maybe, see, look, the egg, you're a tiny egg in a basket. Look at that. Very beautiful and very small. We could hear a tiny heartbeat and some wriggles inside. So the children all thought hard, and they really tried to make the egg grow so the babe could arrive. And what makes babies grow, brains grow and learn, think and strive? Well, reading to an egg is a wonderful plan. So we hoped that our efforts would enormous flames fan. Well, with all the children helping, the egg started to grow and the children could see it. Look, they're all happy and they would all know. Look how happy they are to see you. Yes. And look, here's some little children listening to your heartbeat inside the egg. And then they're reading to you that the egg would be hatching and what would be born. Then COVID came and left us forlorn because no one could visit and no stories be read, for we must be so careful not to have germs that we spread. But egg was so clever. You're a very clever Numbat. The egg was so clever, into hibernation it went, and it stayed oh so peaceful till a message was sent. Then it heard children reading and singing and playing, and it thought, I can hatch now. And with my friends, I'll be staying. Would you like to see that page? Very excited about the story. Look, there's the heartbeat going. So we brought it back down to the Narrogin Hall, and the egg was no longer so tiny and small. It got to be huge. And with help from the adults and children all singing, there was wriggling and cracking, and we all knew it was bringing our new baby to hatch and meet the children today, to read with them, sing with them, dance, jiggle and play. And the children all said, we've read, sang and sat to wait and to meet you, our friendly Numbat. Nice. Hello, Mr. or Mrs. Numbat. Welcome to Narrogin.